In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up Klaviyo in Shopify Advanced. Start by opening your Shopify admin dashboard. This is your main control center for everything in your store, so make sure you are logged into the correct store before you continue. Next, look to the bottom left corner and click Settings. This is where Shopify keeps most of the configuration options, including apps. In the sidebar menu, select Apps and Sales Channels. This area shows what is currently connected to your store and lets you add new tools safely through Shopify. Now go to the top right and click the Shopify App Store button. Once the App Store opens, move to the search bar at the top and type Klaviyo. When you see Klaviyo in the search results, select the Klaviyo app. Take a quick moment to confirm you are choosing the official app listing, since that helps ensure you are installing the correct integration. Click the Install button. Shopify will then show a permissions page that explains what access Klaviyo needs in order to sync customer and store activity. Select Install again to confirm and proceed. When prompted, log into your Klaviyo account. This step connects Klaviyo to your Shopify store so data can begin syncing properly. After you log in, you will be guided through the setup wizard. In the wizard, find On-Site Tracking and toggle it to On. On-site tracking is important because it helps Klaviyo capture customer behavior like browsing and engagement, which improves segmentation and automation accuracy. After you turn it on, select Save and Continue. Next, click Go to Shopify to sync your theme. This will bring you into the Shopify Theme Editor, where you will enable the Klaviyo embed. In the theme editor, locate the Klaviyo app embed and toggle it to On. This ensures the Klaviyo features are actually active on your storefront theme, not just installed in the background. Finally, click Save in the top right corner of the theme editor. Saving is crucial because theme changes do not apply until you do. After this, your Klaviyo app installation, tracking, and theme connection are in place. That covers everything you need to know.